Hello everyone! Watch me enjoy my lunch with this beautiful view of the Angry Bird Row. Look at how beautiful the view is. Not forgetting the beautiful clear sky. I'm enjoying this beautiful view while having my lunch. Comment down below if you have once played these Angry Bird games in your mobile phone. How beautiful it is, the view. For my lunch, I will be having spaghetti with arrabbiata sauce with extra cheese and extra chili flakes. It's gonna be very delicious. Here's my first bite. The pasta was so good, cooked in the most traditional and simple way. Combination of sweet and tangy tomato sauce, fresh garlic cloves, extra chili flakes and extra parmesan cheese, which made it so flavorful. It was really good, the pasta. And of course, it was spicy. Not just spicy, but super spicy. Arrabbiata literally means angry in Italian, so enjoying my angry pasta with a view of the Angry Bird Row. So I'm having this coconut yogurt as my dessert to cool down the spiciness. I really love this yogurt, especially this coconut flavored. And it's very healthy as well. So here, enjoy the view once more. And there's a cute guy. See that little boy enjoying his spotting. And another kids enjoying there. That's all for today. Thank you.